Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to create a regex matcher in Sketchware. So here I have this edit text field called my edit text, in which I will paste my text, and then I have this edit text field edit text regex, in which I will write the regex, and when I click on this match button it will match the regex in this edit text. So I will just demonstrate it here. First I will paste some text in this edit text field, and now if I write something, like if I write my name and click on match, it will match my name. If I write E, it will match all the E. And now we try the regex. So for regex, if I have to match all the small h and capital H, I can write it in bracket separated by this OR symbol, and then this capital H, and then the closing bracket. So now it will match all the capital H and small h. And if I have to match all the letters, if I put on dot, it will match all the letters, it will match everything, all the text. And if I write \D, it will match all the numbers, and \small s will match all the white spaces, \capital S will match everything which is not a white space, \W will match all the letters and digits, means letters and numbers, and capital W will match everything which is not a letter or a number. So it will match everything including white spaces and symbols. Okay, and we can put ranges also in the square bracket. We can add everything which is to be included. So it can match D. Okay, there is no D here. So suppose I match A, it will match all the A, and then B. So it will match A or B. There is no B here. I will put N. So it will match all the A and all the N, and I can put a range A to N. So it will match all the letters which are from A to N. So here you can see it matches everything from A to N. A to E will match everything from A to E. Okay, and if I write A to E followed by E, so it will match everything which is between A to E, and it is followed by E. So here it matches only one thing. If I write A to Z followed by E, so it matches all the E and the letter before it. And I can match I can match numbers also, A to Z. Then here I can write 0 to 9. So it will match all the letters which are small letters and all the numbers. And here I can put the number of E's which I have to match. So here if I write E star, it will match 0 or more E, and E plus will match 0 or more E, and this symbol E2 will match only double E. Okay, and if I write E3, it will match minimum 3 E's which are not there. Okay, so now let's have a look at the code. So we need two edit text. This one is edit text underscore regex, and this one is my edit text. Here in button 1 on click event, I have a string variable called regex, which I have set to edit text regex get text. After this I define a pattern p is equal to pattern.compile regex. Here this regex is the string variable regex. After this I set a string variable my string to my edit text get text. Then I define a spannable string span string. This is equal to new spannable string my string. So basically it converts my string into a spannable string called span underscore string. After this we define a matcher m. This is equal to p dot matcher my string, so it will match the pattern in my string. And then I have a loop, while m dot find, I get the start of m and end of m. M is the matcher, so while matcher dot find, in this loop I get the start and get the end, and then I convert it into a background color span and set it as span of this span string. So I write span string dot set span new background color span color dot yellow, comma m dot start, comma m dot end, comma span exclusive, and that's all. Then we close the while loop. So it will put a background color span with yellow color for all the matches. After this we display this span string in myEdit text. myEdit text dot set text span underscore string. Okay, and that's all is required. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.